So hello guys, today we'll see that how to use Android Studio online, and this is my video. In my previous video about Google launches a new IDE called IDX, and they given the feature of using Android Studio online. Before this feature, we used to use this website, never install. This also provides Android Studio online feature, and you can also add another apps for an online PC, online OS. For now, we created one project workspace, and here is the Android Studio feature. For to create additional feature, we have to for workspace. We have to join the Google Developer Program and no cost. Let's join it. Search for India. Where you are located in city, country. Let's use Delhi. My city is not Delhi, of course, but I'm putting it data engineer. Okay, just use developer. Okay, step to the new features. Okay, let's continue it, and let's see whether it's providing an ID online or not. Okay, we got a batch, and we can also import a GitHub repository, or we are not going to do that now. We can also use git commands to add GitHub, but we are going to use Android Studio. Join the waitlist Android Studio IDX. Okay, this is under beta, so you have to wait for some time. Let's see, what is your app ID? What your app ID? I need to put my app ID here. Which app ID? Let's go to setting. Let's go here, and you can fill this form. This is so long form for the waitlist, or you can read the instructions here what you have to fill, and there are so many. So after that you will be able to use Android Studio online and primary Android Studio development computer, and I think for sure it will be free. And that's all for now. That's a quick update and a quick news about this. If I will find anything new thing from here, this is not required and these things are required, so you have to just put anything or whatever you want to add and submit the Google form. Is it all submitted? I use Mac OS up to 500 Mbps. Still something. What's your Google account used to Android? I think it's Gmail address. All set. Okay, yeah, so you have joined the wait list. After that you have to wait for some time, and you will get the Android Studio experimental version for free here. And till now you can use these templates like Next.js, as I shown you in my previous video, the article at the starting of video. And you can use Node.js, Flask, Go, Astro, whatever you want. All things are in mobile development. React Native, I like this, and Flutter. I am waiting for React Native. And you can also create a app like seed and create, and there are so many benefits of hosting your codes online and using an online IDE, because it saves your computer memory, and also the cloud storage there's a less chances of data loss, and there are so many other things. I use GitHub code spaces before, but now when IDX is launched, I think I will use this thing only. And there are also many things about dependencies. Installing new things can cause your whatever damage, if that is unknown, of course. If you are watching any tutorial on YouTube, or if you know that, that is good. And that's all for the video. This is how you can use Android Studio online and React, Flutter, React Native, Next.js, whatever you want. You can use it online without consumption of memory on your local computer, and the SDK size are too big for Android development, so you can consider IDX. Thanks for watching. I think this is one of the limitless IDE online, because GitHub code spaces have very less features, and others code Gitpod like things have very less features, and Replit is completely dead for hosting a big project. It's for only a normal project of very less size, and that uses very less RAM in a small project, and you can stack Bleach and other IDs also. But I found this very good until the Android Studio feature and React Native feature will come. From experimental to a production thing, or the stable version, whatever. So after that, you will get a VS Code IDE here. Let me wait. And one more thing, if you have a VS Code here on your device, you can also if you have so many settings, extensions on your computer, you can just go to settings and profile and export profile, and from here, after that, after exporting, you can import here online. As a GitHub gist, and open the link, and this is a gist vscode.dev, whatever this is. Yeah, create a profile into VS Code. So by this method, let's me export profile, export cp file dot profile. Okay, and after that, just go to settings and click on profile, import profile, and you have to select file or give the gist link here, and that will be imported here. And this is your Android, and this is your web. You get both the things. I like this feature so much, because for Android development I have to connect my mobile device for that, or download Android Studio for that. But now it's so easy, because you get Android Studio SDK here, and you can use the Android app here in live preview mode. And I will use this for sure, and you are also getting the Gemini AI chatbot, or whatever this is, the co-pilot. I like this. I really like this, especially the Android feature. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. If I will find new updates, I will inform you. And if you have any question, you can do comments, and I will get the comment and do something new. Thanks for watching.